Most car owners think they know their vehicle inside and out. They drive it every day, fuel it up, service it occasionally, and assume that's enough. But, modern cars hide dozens of small secrets that can quietly save you money, protect components, and extend your car's life, if you know them. Today we're breaking down 15 brilliant car hacks almost no one uses, even though they really should. Alright, hack number 11 is rotating your tires earlier than recommended if you drive aggressively. Front tires wear out faster because of all the steering and braking forces they deal with. Early rotation keeps your alignment balanced and honestly, saves you money in the long run. Now, hack 12 is letting turbocharged engines idle for about 30 seconds before shutting them down after, hard driving. This little pause lets the oil cool the turbocharger, which helps prevent oil coking and bearing damage. The 13th hack? It's simply using cruise control on highways whenever you can. It maintains a nice, consistent throttle input, improving fuel efficiency and reducing strain on your drivetrain. Hack 14 is all about learning what your dashboard colors actually mean. Red means you should stop immediately, and yellow means you need to use caution soon. Ignoring this simple rule is actually why a lot of cars end up with avoidable damage. And finally, hack 15 is reading your owner's manual once, just once. You'll discover features, maintenance intervals, and driving tips most owners never learn, even after years of driving the same car. Here's the truth. None of these hacks are complicated at all. They don't require tools, money, or even any real mechanical skill. They just, require a bit of awareness. Cars don't usually fail all of a sudden. They fail quietly over time because of small habits repeated every day. Fix those habits, and you'll dramatically increase your car's reliability. If you apply even half of these hacks, your car will run smoother, last longer, and honestly, cost you a lot less over its lifetime. That's really the difference between drivers who are always paying repair bills and drivers who seem to never have problems. So hey, subscribe to Gear Specs if you want real-world car knowledge that actually protects your vehicle and your wallet.